how to set up your KakaoTalk profile. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to set up your KakaoTalk profile. First, open KakaoTalk application on your device. Now the first thing you can do is add the profile picture. To add a profile picture, you can just tap on your name right here, tap on it. Now once you do that, you will see two options. Tap on edit profile. Now once you do that, you will see this camera icon, tap on it and change your profile picture. Tap on choose from gallery and choose the photo and you can change it in that way. Tap on OK. In this way your profile picture will be changed. The next thing you can do is tap on this camera right here and tap on choose from gallery in order to edit your profile cover. Okay, and once you do that, tap on OK and your profile cover will be changed. Now the next thing you can do is you can edit the status like this. Now you can just edit it, and once you do that, tap on OK. Now tap on done, and that's it. This is how to set up profile on KakaoTalk. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.